Hi, this is Bruce Paul at Passion Lighting. We're talking about transformers today. Let's look at a Hinkley stainless steel transformer. Right here, you got a door that opens up on it. The door can actually be removed for when you need to for easy access. You basically have what we call knockouts at the bottom that allow you to bring your pipe up, and that's where you're going to bring your low voltage cable. You're actually going to have a cord that comes out of it with a grounded plug that goes into your GFCI plug. You always want to plug your transformer into a GFCI protected power source. You're going to have a plug in here that if you don't use a timer, it plugs straight in. When you're using a timer, you plug this into the timer and the timer goes into here. Okay? Then in addition, you have your power and you have your taps down here. And so while this video isn't to explain all the details of wiring a transformer, this is critical that you do this wiring correctly. It's not actually hard once you've done it. It's extremely hard until you learn what to do with it correctly. And then there's built-in circuit breakers, which are really nice. This is a 600 watt transformer. Each of these breakers is on a 300 watt circuit. If anything trips the system, these breakers are safety. So you have safety here in the breakers, and you also have safety at your GFCI that the unit is plugged into. So this is a really high quality transformer. In landscape lighting, you rarely are going to dim. There's really very infrequently to do that. But if you do ever have a low type that you're going to dim this type transformer, you want to use a magnetic low voltage dimmer and a very, very high quality LED dimmable bulb. And that can work very well, say in an arbor or outdoor kitchens and things like that.